Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. As we all know, coronavirus disease is spreading in countries around the world and is attacking people with poor immunity. So it's important for all of us to take steps and add something to our daily routine that could strengthen our immunity. So today I have brought for you all the recipe of an immunity booster drink that will help us protect ourselves and fight against life-threatening coronavirus disease. So before starting the video, if you're new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So let's get started. Here I have taken a glass of water nearly 200 ml. When the water gets heated up, I will add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 8 to 10 cloves. Cloves we need not skip, it plays a vital role against infection, 1 cinnamon stick and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. All of these will go inside the water. We need to let it boil on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Mix it well. After 10 minutes, we'll turn off the flame and let it cool down to lukewarm. Now we'll strain our drink in a cup or a glass. And add a teaspoon of honey. Here I am using organic honey which is clove infused. You can use any honey if you have. Mix it well. Our immunity booster drink is ready. Prepare it for yourself and your family. This drink will definitely help your body fight against COVID-19. If you find my video useful, please subscribe, like and share. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye for now.